So, very good evening, friends. Let's quickly take a look at one very important question from auditor responsibilities, because from this topic, at least 10 marks are asked every time. So, CA Riddhima, internal auditor of Track Store Limited, has pointed out following deficiency in internal control of the company. In our reports, receivables are not reconciled at stipulated intervals. Customers are provided credit limit based upon their track record. However, no review of customer credit limit is undertaken in required intervals. The statutory auditor of a company finds that no action has been taken by the company on said deficiencies pointed out in the reports of internal auditor. What does the above situation indicate to statutory auditor of the company? So many candidates, if you are not prepared or if you are not read this question, you'll be writing a lot of things on your own, which will surely not fetch beyond 2 marks. So now let's quickly check out what will be examiner's expectation for this and what exactly you are expected to write to get the 5 out of 5 marks for this particular question. So if you see, first thing is management failing to remedy the known significant deficiencies by not plugging the loopholes on a timely basis is a fraud risk factor for misstatements arising from fraudulent financial reporting. This might be asked separately as the MCQ as well for 2 marks, because a similar question was asked in May 25 as well. And when management does not control or correct the significant deficiencies on a timely basis, it reflects the attitude, character or set of ethical values that allow them knowingly and intentionally to commit. If you see essay for 240, this intentionally to commit all these things is very important, and you must reproduce it. And also this particular paragraph, it reflects an attitude, character and set of ethical values. Very important, must reproduce terms. So do watch out and do pay full attention. So failure to rectify the known control. Now first we were emphasizing on essay 240. Now we are slowly building on answering the question, that is failure to rectify known control deficiencies regarding the receivables reconciliation and review of customer credit limits as potential to fraud. So now first we spoke about essay 240 angle, and now we are connecting the question on the essay 240. So lack of timely reconciliation may lead to intentional misstatements. Where did you hear this word intentional? Here it is. So allowing them knowingly and intentionally committed dishonest act. Just see the usage of words. Here it is ethical values, here it is dishonest act. And now, so non-reviewing customer limit may lead to grant of credit beyond creditworthiness of a customer. So it will result in intentionally tying up company's funds with risky customers due to collusion. So the cash terms, or you need to reproduce is the fraud risk factor for misstatements from FFR, that is fraud and financial reporting, and ethical values and intentional committed disconduct act, and also risky customers due to collusion. So the above risk is you need to conclude now. Yeah, so above situation is a fraud risk factor for fraud and financial reporting. If you write all these things, there is no way you can lose any marks on it. So make full use of it. Watch it at least 3 times. Quickly make notes also, so that you not again keep coming back to it again and again. So all the very best and stay focused. Best wishes. Make the most of the available hours.